my name is Ari. Welcome to my channel. Y'all are not gonna believe what I got for Christmas. I got the Cécred collection. I got everything. I'm gonna be showing y'all a wash day with Cécred, and as you can see, my hair is freshly out of braids. My hair's been screaming for a wash, so I can thankfully do it with all Cécred products. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all the whole routine, and just so you like, my hair is 4C. As you can tell, it's short 4C hair. And yeah, I've been wanting this ever since it came out, and I'm gonna finally try it. I'm gonna get my honest review. I know there's like mixed reviews everywhere. I did just have a protein treatment, so I'm not going to go in with the deep conditioner or the treatment mask. I'm gonna probably wait on these, so we're just gonna put these aside. I was gonna let y'all chill, enjoy the music and the nice wash day aesthetics, but I had to jump in and tell y'all about how Beyonce gave this signature line its signature fragrance. I'll talk a little bit more about it in my review later on, but I have to talk about this main signature scent. It's nice, rich, woody, and slightly floral, but it's definitely luxurious hints that are in this scent. Oud, which gives it a nice deep, smoky, woodsy feel. And it also has Australian sandalwood, which is something that I really love because it's nice, creamy, and just warm. Or musk, which is going to bring it like a powdery and cozy vibe. Night blooming jasmine, which is a sweet, exotic floral touch. Haitian vetiver, which is earthy and grassy with a little hint of smokiness. Finally, it has violet leaves, which adds a fresh green note. So it's just a very bold and sophisticated feel, and it's very high end. So you're getting the best of both worlds. Not really the best of both worlds. You're getting high class when you get this product. And I loved it so much, like just discovering like all the different scents, because this is really the base signature scent that is in most of the hydrating line of the products, but the rest of the stuff, they do kind of have their own smell. So I enjoyed figuring out what type of scents was in each product. This was such a fun hair wash experience because I just love putting in products that makes me smell like a bakery or a floral shop. And as if you could take a literal bite out of me. Now y'all can sit back and enjoy because the music's gonna come back on and I won't be back until it's time for the review.
Come take it to the floor now. One step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always thought was nice. Ooh, run me to the left and put me in the middle. Boy, I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. We are cards down, 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 down. So pack your legs and throw your heels up. There's a heat wave coming at us, think straight, hold the panic, all the problem, just feel dramatic, now we're running to the first part and we fire, ooh, one step to the right, we head to the dive bar, we always thought was nice, ooh, you run to the left, just with me in the middle, boy, I can't read your mind, this ain't Texas.
Now that I've tried the products, let's get into the tea with this review. I'm going to start off with the hydrating shampoo. Oh my goodness, this one is amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10 because it brought so much hydration back into my hair, and I could literally see the difference as I was putting this on and aftermath of it. It is amazing. I love this so much. Plus, a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use that much. I use a little bit much, as y'all did see, but your hair will definitely get a great lather with this hydrating shampoo. Next, we have the moisture sealing lotion. Y'all, 9 out of 10. I give it its props because it is lightweight and it really smoothed my hair when I put it on and did my twist. But I will say I only took a point off because my hair wasn't super defined, but I honestly should just give it like a full 10 because I cannot really do a twist out. So it might be my expertise that's lacking, but this is either way very good. I only used this after my wash day. I only wanted to use Cécred products. So this is the result of that. This is my twist out, and it did kind of shrink down a little bit because I was in the shower. But I would say all in all, it was pretty good. Like, it was one of the best twist outs I've ever had. It was a good bit of definition, but it wasn't perfect, as I know some people would like. Last for this line, we have the hydrating conditioner. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10, and I'm gonna tell you why, okay? For me, I need my conditioner to be very moisturizing, and this wasn't exactly that. I would say like I had to leave it on for like several minutes. It says don't leave it on for a minute, but even after I put it on for like several minutes, it was still a little bit hard for me to go and detangle my hair. So I just need a conditioner with a lot of slip. So maybe if I try the deep conditioner, it will work better for my hair, my 4C hair. But the hydrating conditioner definitely sucked for my standards. So if you are looking for something luxurious, this is definitely the hair care line for you, because I have been like, I haven't put a perfume on some days, and well, not some days, I only did my hair like a day ago, but I can smell my hair even when my perfume isn't on. Like, I just have this amazing scent about myself. Now, let's talk about the clarifying shampoo. I give this a 9 out of 10. It cleansed my hair so well. If you've seen that duck that was in oil and got stripped clean, that's how my hair is feeling. It felt brand new with this. The scrub did an amazing job, and the great part about it is you only need to use a little bit because it lathers very, very well. Now, it will leave your hair a bit dry, so just make sure you don't use it like alone. Make sure you have something else in accordance with it. The scent is refreshing, clean, and herbal. It has hints of tea tree and lemon, which gives it a bright zestiness to it. It also has peppermint, which is the main thing that I smelled when I was using it. It's just so cooling, and it really makes you think and feel as if your hair is truly getting clean. And lastly is rosemary essence, which is like grounding. Now, this is perfect for anybody who wants a clean, invigorating scent. It makes the clarifying experience feel like a spa day for your hair. For the two products that I didn't try, the moisturizing deep conditioner and the mask, I'm gonna try those at a later date. And like I said, I probably would have liked the hydrating conditioner, or not the hydrating conditioner, but I would probably like the moisturizing deep conditioner more than the hydrating, because the hydrating really didn't do much for my hair. But we'll have to see about that at another time. Now we're gonna get into the oils. I'm gonna start with the Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. It's a nice sleek bottle. Y'all, I'm gonna have to test it out for the next month and a half to acclaim about its growing potential or things of that nature. But what I will say is it's lightweight, and you only need one dropper of this to go through your whole head and you will be just fine. Now, let's get into the scent of this. It is fruity and floral and really gives me like a rose scent. The color of it is also pink, so maybe I'm overindulging in the rose scent because I saw the pinkness of it. But either way, the scent is divine. Then there's the Nourishing Hair Oil. And y'all, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Like I said, for the other oil, I'm gonna have to like come back in like a month and a half or so to really like acclaim if it has any other benefits to it. But it is lightweight and it leaves a nice shine on my hair. Also, when I was detangling my twist out, it gave it it detangles so easily and just left my hair feeling nice and refreshed, because like I said, I didn't put anything else on my hair. I went in with the leave-in conditioner and that was it. So whenever I went back in with the Nourishing Hair Oil, it kind of like really solidified my twist out and made it what it is right now. Now it is shrunk a little bit, but it's still pretty good for my standards. And that's all for this review. I am a little bit biased because I do love Beyonce, but this was all my honest and true review of this product. I really did like it. I don't know what I was expecting, but there were a lot of mixed reviews online, and I think some people, maybe they may have been too harsh, but I'm gonna just say try it out for yourself and see how you feel using it, because everybody's hair is different. Like, we may say 4C, but somebody might have like high density, low density, whatever. You are your own person, figure out what works for you. But I do hope that this review helped you figure out what you like or what you probably want to get. I did get the full line, I believe, and I'm so happy. So happy I got it. But thank y'all so much. Please let me know which one of these products that you would like to try and which one of the scents that you really loved, because personally, the hair and edge drop oil, that is probably going to be my favorite scent out of this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see y'all in the next video. Until next time. Bye, y'all.